Hello, my beautiful people from Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe and press the notification button. Thank you. One love. Bye bye.
See, this one wey dey ground so, it has to do with the election wey pass so, wey concern Stainless and Ambat. Personally, I must be very sincere to myself. Ambat na person when I love. I like am. I don't feel like about that one. Stainless na another person when I also like. I love am. You get why? These two people. It can't pay me say they can't drag themselves, they go like this. I see many things where some people write, say, I bet forget Stainless, Stainless not get friends, so Stainless na one way, Stainless na two way. I not argue one with you now. I know. Una know say this social media, all of us, we dey see what they happen. We get eye. But the truth of the matter be say, don't ever underrate anyone in this life. Don't underrate anyone. Some people, then get the ability, power of underrating some people. And if you underrate person too much, it diverts people way. It diverts people. You will just look down and you will underrate and say, oh my rema, at a time, person where you underrate, you go kneel down when time come. It never happen for my life. It don't happen for my own life. Person where I just look, say, I beg, oh my rema. But so no you will come to say, wow, somebody is here. You don't underrate anybody. The way God take create all of us are human beings. We were created differently. No, Elowosa, you are getting me wrong. We were created differently. The strength where you get now my weakness. And the weakness when I get now your strength. Now so God take create all of us. These days. Even picking when they born today. If they born two children today, God give them the strength where the other one don't get. All right, equally. You see, we are Stainless for good. Not be there, me for good. We are me for bad, Stainless good for there. Or we are for good, not be there, bad for good. We are bad, bad good for there. This life, you get the way we God take create everybody. Now, because now we be say at times, if I want to do some kind of things, I'll still listen now. I'll use sense stay person. I go use sense stay handle them. I know they underrate anybody, my people. The audio when I receive was before this audio come, this Stainless audio, before it comes, their politics matter. I don't know whether now when they do election, now 2019 they do election. I don't know now this year, now 2019 now, last year. I don't remember the month again, but I remember say I also they join for campaign. Now when they follow me for that time, I see say that Obaseki matter. Myself I don't use and take play that time because personally I like politics. For some reasons, I just like politics on my own. And Ambat matter, the way I come to love Ambat during that election, and I come to love Stainless during that election. These two people, my love for them increased, skyrocketed during election. Or maybe no matter what you like, when that time come, you will just like the person say, wow, what did this person do? I started to follow Ambat during this Obaseki second election. Now I started to follow her. But during Obaseki election, so what they do? Now I can also press like for Stainless platform. I never ever like her one day. I like her during election because me na person wey like politics way. You can't do some kind of things when I like. I can't see some kind of qualities where Stainless gets, where me no get. I can't see some kind of power where Stainless as a live video presenter where it gets, where me no get. Now that power, now make me like him personally. You know, so if you don't like person, no other thing where that person will do. Okay, 2020, yes, 2020, thank you. You not get what if you don't like person for some particular reasons, you not get what you go do. You will just forgive and you will forget. Say this person, me na talk ba, I don't go feel like na talk ba na be. Whether I come and come shout for live video, I don't shout and be talk ba. And one of the people where dig underground where want me Obaseki win, na be. Because I was already almost every day releasing a post about Obaseki. Because I really wanted him to win that election. By the special grace of God. Wetin make me like Stainless? Now I just talk so now that election. The performance wey Stainless perform for that election. You need to be a mad woman on social media. Hey, Don Williams, good afternoon. You need to be a madman on social media to go to that extent, to do all those things. Una know say, for politics, there is no permanent friend. There is no permanent enemy. Politics be like social media work. Unless if you want to declare a person your permanent enemy. But social media work and politics, they look alike somehow. No permanent friend, no permanent enemy. No permanent friend, no permanent enemy. The time when that campaign, when they start to do that campaign, very impactful, my brother. They touch the hearts of a lot of people. Personally, to me, Stainless enter inside my heart that period. And when I comment one day for a platform, I tell and say, now because of this election, I can't like you. Finish. And which is true, 100%. Election ni one. Election ni one. So, my people, Abat in another level. Personally, he never do me anything one day. Since when I did live video, he never know nothing. I accorded him respect because of election. That make me the respect Abat. It has nothing to do with what they happen for social media. This thing, saga way, those saga way they go on online. That make me like Abat too. At the tell now waiting. Make me like Abat. A politician, in Abat, handle a political forum during that time. Abat was impactful. Abat was making a lot of sense as a supporter. I don't want to talk about people where Abat match their Lego because election is very rugged. Politics is a dirty game. And for you to come out of politics successful, you must be a dirty man and you must be a dirty woman. Even though say you they wear suit, you enter politics. If you are gentle in the eyes of people, behind you're supposed to be rugged. You're supposed to have some amount of rascality in you to be a successful politician. Maybe your work go demand them, or maybe your opponent go need them, or maybe the society where you live go need them as a politician. Politicians are rugged people. So, it's not a new thing for you to know that when a person is doing politics, he match people leg. It's normal. Provided, what me I know is that when politics don't come up for ground, don't mix politics with a Edo saga. Now this one I be the only thing. Don't miss the two of them. Politics and campaign where Abat and Stainless handle for social media or for the eyes of the Edos worldwide. It has nothing to do with Edo saga. Nothing. 100%. Nothing. Nothing to do with Edo saga. At all. But what it can happen, my opinion, when I see this matter, they go on since at the time he died out of social media. I was no longer hearing when election finished. I not going to hear election matter. I not going to hear from Stainless. Or the many say Stainless not going to come at us before again. I give me a video. Am I giving? I don't know whether I'm observing. I'm talking about my own observation. I don't think they follow everything with this social media. If I'm not right, prove me wrong. I'm not going to see 100% the way it be before. You understand? Which maybe she's trying to correct some areas of her personal life. Because social media is very straining and demanding. But after the election, Abat collected and a lot of people came to love and follow him. Because Abat was a soldier on that election field. Abat was a marshal. That period, now people take given political marshal, field marshal. Me, myself, I there among the people where they write for a comment those days, I'll say, you are a field marshal. When they celebrate for Benin, say they win election, I was also celebrating in my parlor here. The video still there, my platform. Wait for those days. You see, somebody say politicians not they match people leg. You are wrong. Politicians match a lot of people leg so that most of them, so that they can acquire their selfish aim. It's about their own selfish and permanent, their own selfish aid. Then they match people leg. Then they match 100%. Then they match. They either match people who are in the same political field with them, because best way they do the same work with. Now you will see if not they run something. But one thing of recent, it be like say video can't come out again. Wait, be say about they do. You go talk about waiting don't pass. Stainless also come out, come pass a message. Wait, make me come sit down, listen to that video. What Stainless do? I listen to her. Everything from the beginning to the ending. I listen to that video. The point when I tell listen to that video, now I want to narrate for here so because my people more not listen. This one is my own opinion. When you are giving your opinion concerning something, when you don't have a personal problem, a personal issue with that person, somebody like Albert and Stainless, I don't have personal issue with them at all, 100%. But when you they give your, now they disturb me, the talk. But when you they give your opinion, this audio, I can't receive them for Stainless. After I don't receive them, this audio push me to say go and listen more to waiting the grant between the both of them, waiting the happen. Go listen more. This very audio, when I want to play, so now it push me. It's not a private audio, no, because Stainless also talk about it on her own live video. So when I post that thing this afternoon, some people they say, Rita inbox and for Isa inbox na private. No, it wasn't private.
Ọ̀rọ̀ bí tẹ́ dọ́gá tí ẹwẹ́ gbá tí ọkọ̀kọ̀ gbé a máa wọ màmá gbọ́. Mẹ́nà wà múrù mẹ́ lónú náà hẹ́nu nù mẹ́wẹ́ náà lánà sí yóò ṣe rè mẹ́. Á tí ẹ̀rọ náà nà mẹ́jọ bọ̀ ẹ̀yìn náà wò. Àwùjọ bọ̀ náà wà dátò wọn wà dẹ́. Ẹ̀rọ mọ̀ náà ẹni gbé àkáwọ́ tó ẹ̀dọ́ gọ́vnù náà rẹ̀ aṣọ Ọbaṣẹ́kì ọ̀nà àwùjọ bọ̀ mẹ́rin yá mìíràn. Abati na ga yomobo imazugu imagui imagbina politics re e campaign na dore ina we ya veneti mese ina kobokugbe niwe ya mudani governor me no make na we go manati o ma we Nigeria do we gudogun ye we campaign ona we se wa kokowo wa veneti mese. So kwa no ina mo eve ma bati gege kini do abati we no gba no eni mo gbese eni lugo se abati mage 18 minutes la dope do pa weta na ye ni godun ya sojeje we niwe ima ve gbe na ina ze gbe palliative ire awo gba so awo ko so e wa bati ka ere va wo kun reva ona sono me ina gwegun ona la de ona temi kita ena gwa mo ko no re yowa o e kita runda ebe ni me ijomo eri ko ni eri yowa ijomo o pa no ri ogo ni je no ri ogo no ko no ri yowa re go ni ti o ni ku e pa mi si kan pa mi ye ko we eri o veje o we va ka ve e ka voma o ga gera bi jo so ma e katagbara gbuje ro rudana ni abati na do ya me ya kun ho ri Okiata bidagbo bewe ya re owo agwe na ton one of my gbe no ri oge yo my gbe social media na owi mene no gbe my yo my Gladys amadan ya gbo no yo pele no video na ho na bia wa deso edo owi mo wo ka o no we owo ma mai ika so ne wa no wo ma mai jo ruda we na je na owiere ma ya ti ihe be ya ti uwe ke na so dia waya dawe ore wawesi
So my people, because of say now settlement and waiting I believe now they do, I stopped the audio for there because she vex the course. I don't want me I play that one for public. But before that place, she talk with Vesan. We make her come out again for public come they talk. But again, we may testable. Emi agwanse. Kina women sesebo, my people. If politics dey grand, you must know say this very person he go let me use to help my people. This very person he must let me use to help, or he go help me during this campaign. This one go help me during this campaign. Before Abat meet Stainless, say Stainless come help for this campaign. He don't already sit down for his share for his ass. Look and say, you go good for this area where. Now make me tell you now before say, no one is completely useless in this life. You get where you for good, where another person not so good too. So Abat look and say, you go good for here. You not go good for here. Now I make and tell and say come, because maybe the way Stainless they do ba. If they wear hats, if they wear this one, if they wear all those one, come they draw his face, they paint them blue and black. Maybe if not me, I don't go fit do one. Because I'm not sure say I go fit enter that level where I come they paint my color. I don't know whether I will fit reach that level. Come they use the B and all these things. They do one. Because of say make governor win. I'm not sure say I'll fit do one. But Stainless he do one during that period. It's same when they go Nigeria now Abat Kolan. Abat Wutia because when we Oma Bigberiana or Guelo. Now Abat talk so Abat we good one and damn ho. Waiting make me believe say a problem who about a Stainless now do escalate to Seveniana. Please, Leo Lero, I will block you. I don't want to block you. If you people don't want to listen to me, you can carry yourself out of my platform. If you drop comments where I don't like to confuse me, I'll block you. I go block you now. Because what you not the feed do, if you not see person they do, una go one die. Una will begin to drop una comment when I take the cause confusion for Isaiah's. Golden hearts. You just listen. If I'm not right in what I'm saying, please go and open your platform and say your own. It's not bad for you to know how to do your own too. You must not follow people. It's not by force. Please, you people shouldn't provoke me. I don't like it. Or you can carry your bag and go. I don't want to block you for no reason. When against Stainless, I go well. Abat, my brother, or say I invited Stainless into political nwagao. Because according to waiting with the C for social media, talk where you don't fair talk where Stainless they talk now. There is every evidence that we involve Stainless in politics. You understand me? You involve Stainless into political something. Maybe if you don't invite him, it be like this video where they do so. Now Stainless invite me into it. Because before you finish that audio, I see pain, the way he take cry and everything. If I ignore him, nobody knows tomorrow. I'll ignore and say, "Get na I on our one go memengbe or semroko the live video on Niveniana la we no here." If do ignore because of that one, Emma, a live video mayaji, nobody know tomorrow. You understand me now? Na matio ma yi live video ayeta, ama igwe na wati o maji we gun ayeme na. E keni yan igu na riri abe meme. Where you know say I for wrong, give me my wrong, I will accept it. Where you know say I for right, give me my right. Not be the one where they go they had the talk for ekoko, you will go now those one cause and way problem they live the way people their audio go come out, you come make go. Because waiting they not go fit there talk for public. You go hear all of them for inside audio when they talk for audio. You understand? But in the case of this Stainless I go like make I talk with all my heart. Because there's an invitation for me to talk with. And I go just tell her the way it be for my heart. Without anything bias. When on where I am a bias, whether you talk way, I don't even when I'm begging because what you see for social media and what you see, maybe they are different. I know if you follow the whole fight whether they fight, but for the ones when I follow, when you may follow who way, Emi Agwankan, Abat, Ekema boom. Nina blame Abat, but o make Nina do a blame you, my brother. O make Nina blame you. O biya, even na who. Ibani okpa, na blame you. Vi Yesu. Ukbi anyili na huku. Ukbi azola zolo no bungbe sano kaka ne uri be azolo zolo for some reasons. Iye ngiri ma ya ye live video now. But mani who aga zolo am okay. We are women. We feel the zolo is not kaka ne because we are women. I know say you define view. I know say you define people. I know say you want to be popular, which is very all of us. That's what we are liable to on live video. Anybody who don't come and say they talk for live video, don't be view you define. What if boyo? What if they were sent to soil? That is what it is. But at a time, they make sense so that even in that your nonsense where you they perform, let a person be able to pick 1 or 2, 3 points inside. After this politics matter don't come on for ground, I not on the 16 less for live video they discuss politics again. I accord them that respect for them. But when about you they talk, even though say they do saga with me, with another person, you must go put stainless inside. If anyway, nobody do blame will be me. Now another person you they deal with, but you will go involve stainless. Now another person you they deal with, you will go involve stainless. Now another person you they deal with, you will go involve stainless. About people with their social media, you get the way they behave. You get when something go reach, they go forget. A saga no worry. If this one come up for ground, they will still forget and they will follow with it they rain. Now what if they rain, everybody they follow, including you and me. You see? But we are that way no rain, no waroto. Ujari yo hu wabo ma sagu wabo ma be no gbirane udoriye yo. Evani o we na wo gbedo ye no hian to refresh me na whereas of which ave secret so no ma keke ne stainless do ayu no kan ona do you no kan ya the live video, which is emi ati eni it's not good. It's even very unprofessional on your side as a person who is working with the governor. Very unprofessional. Very unprofessional. Very unprofessional on your own side. And I don't mean where if you not better than where ya where do I if you or do you my so do ya or do ye is still less do ya test secret no market no ta. Which is a big one do tani where you go ne a governor real latin geminaria any yemba genaria any yemba. People wait there do people. A pushing and bungbe Emma or mind to tell me no market no ta. Because people were not dead their body. Then they quit the talk, say. Forget. Bieran. But me can't look and say, now lie. Many people they talk when they say bieran. What people know if you beer, now they tell you me you beer. Emma, I feel like go when you be or even that live video. But tomorrow one phone, Baba, if you just call for this live video, you talk about that caller. That caller go call it tomorrow. Go make sure say return that insult to that person. He ain't patience. Who get patience for this life? To take resource no ya zingbe chuki. Come plan patience. Say that you pass it out through your real account or you pass it out through fake account. Say my yaji. Nobody is not guilty of waiting at the talk so. But all who were abat, you was always choking stainless. Now we may was say. Una ma suna so le who were ohoni no Roland. I watched you live on up to 3-4 videos that you did. Let me not exaggerate. Some video where you do where you for the throw mat they give stainless. No ya throw a mat, no ya any stainless. Or man wetie a kita, no wabo a bag minane. You know what that person can do if the person is pushed to the wall. To mine. Agboya go stainless agree. Many people quarrel put the time we stainless open mat when they talk some country way not supposed to talk before. In enter house, you not repeat all those things again. Maybe she regretted the action. Which is that thing we stainless do that time. If stainless no, it's supposed to know say that thing will cost them big thing in the nearest future. Lack of confidentiality. Or man a confidence in me. Who de there as a governor of Edo State. Who time I wear a burial redo. Onari yemi, onari yenue. Or he bolo, or he hereo. He big or small. You say thank you. You hold that thing. You give the person who wanna follow go. All these things be done pass and I take berane. Da kwe shuki. Ona woregbe do new. Nana mi again Naija watch interview you know the agmoya woregbe do atare. You come the Vincent again they say okay, Edwin Edigin. All right. You come they make and they remember say this one, that one. You say you should remember that Abat can never forget stainless cause she lie against Abat. I know argue one. You don't forget her. But one person lie against you, what's why not seeing no heke na ya seeing? No make na lie you sorry. because any meje ma wa ma agba we mi ne una aritangume ya ari enu e wa aritangume ya ari enu e ime to kon emi no re wata be no na re na ni ono na wata na awa face ono na e de na party na agwe ma be we saga be Facebook or wa face saga ni who we saga ni oga feel a bullet so my people oga feel a bullet igba oga indirect re bullet ni stainless which means or what fit am I town going be na moye o ma no gugu no rito ta yi mo ha Ohoni no Roland, Ohoni no Netherlands, Ohoni no Netherlands. Oviere mete Ladian for some time, but when Ariane was giving her. How about you have done a good work in Edo State, which I commend you 100%. I commend you. Anybody will not talk, say not commend you for that work. You will not say you not like better thing. And because of that one, you are supposed to win big contracts and big money. When time away now, when in the stainless asset team or you wear stainless, now we not do with your bone. Ona gele Ladian, ona wijo bonwe. But to beg where we waga go in the begeni. After una don't share that money, I not quarrel for that money. You say they give una money, una share money. Because I do my video during that time where I take talk and say when people come they talk say na bribe, na they bribe them, then bribe live video presenter. Me I not see the money for why. Now here I tell year and later I can say so then give some people some money. Me where the money not reaching, that still come and come talk say but it's not a bribe. Because it has nothing to do with political party. It was not a party money. I've been a party money that they do campaign. I don't know how they do that, but waiting me know that it's not a governor money. Not be state money. Money where they do campaign na party money, not be governor or state money. I've not seen it in any government book to say you can run a campaign with a government money. I only know that campaign can only be run with a party money. Now they take the runner. So it's not bad as a political party for you to bring out something and give to people who are helping you on the feed to campaign, to put out their voice. It's not a bad thing. That's what I know. It's not a bad thing. Okay, you say you go greet governor. Governor give you that thing. He not tell you say this money na for campaign. He tell you say take I just support your burial. You keep that money. The only place no when I miss a here sinless. You get one thing where you they hold for head where I want me to forget from today. Not the thinker or remember am again. You dey road, Abat can call you say stainless come me with the governor's house. There are many things and a lot of underground work where Abat don't do because woman they have live road where you don't know for money. You can never pass that road in the afternoon. For night. Road where you don't know for afternoon. You know go fit pass in the night. He get many things where Abat go don't use in your personal knowledge, people, brain, influence, in everything, they work underground before you come so that you can see the governor. You never know governor's house one day. You don't know where he dey. Odosa Erin. Anybody will drop insult, I will block you. I'm blocking you. If you want to share your view, share your view. If you say shut up, I'll block you. You have to shut up and get out. So you never know governor's house one day. My jeva need there. My river with a politician rock there. But then call you based on say, you beg a platform way. And you beg a white team when you win any. You beg a way you can really do that work very well. That is why you was involved. And your involvement, if I have to be sincere with my own self, and you know that they don't still see you one way or the other. Say, oh, now with my campaign, or with my shot, or with my winning name. You know, that is why you was involved. Because nobody can ever talk of say, not be the one where they give you for governor's house, but the one where they not on the top of Facebook say they share. Nobody go fit give you money, say take, without it not know, say, take this thing to support me. It's about support. When a person is pleading something to you, it's about support. So that money, according to me, somebody say, Mama Rita also talk about the money she paid to see governor. I don't know. I never hear her for any video since say she pay money. Even with her own mouth, I listen with her voice. I don't hear her say she pay money, say, take, to see make her see governor. The only thing when I hear for video, when I listen to be say, After I don't talk to him finish, he give me money, say, I don't wear burial, who can't do burial for all of now? He say, now this one. He say, take. When he give her the money, then come out, then share her. Personally, my own mind concerning that money sharing. Now I want to talk. Stainless. Oblige me. Evae, et me no kind no one will say, are you a fool with dokba? Food way concern with the person they eat, they know the shop one day. I know say you not complain for this money, oh, say you rich or you not rich, or you talking for this your audio. When I play just now, say, umade gui, which, what's your numana gui, maybe you understand, say, you understand that for your mind, say, a governor's house in a person carry me good day. That governor's house in my bani there, what always a senior sister, always senior brother me. You also know, say, maybe a bat don't open one way or the other for you because many people talk and say, Ekinanau, Anae. All my must to Ekinanau. In when a bat guy win a vegan, a mantirig bell, or when Wabini Coco Baguni, it's not a bat. Not at all. Because before you go see governor, you really wesiva. Wavo batota. Wana here. You see? So there are people who get influence, who get no way for that Nigeria. There's nothing they do for you for free. No one in that Nigeria will ever do anything for you for free. We there Europe, our own brothers and sisters, they don't help us for free. Same father, same mother. They will never help you for free. Before they from here move to here, they ask you for transport fare. You will use transport, they follow them. You will give them transport, then go. If not, anything where they find will take grant. Oh, okay, wait. In a way, while drop it phone, they go tell you, say, you go there. So, for Abat to follow you, say, make we share this money, and people will follow now, there. Maybe I saw. He not give you, governor not give you, say, he bribe you. I understand. That has been your word. Not be me go come change your word when you they talk for live video since say, he give me for my papa burial. I understand it quite alright. Yeah, stainless. If you reach where I dey, if I be rich man, you don't know my house before. But now person show you road, reach where I dey. Immediately you reach that place when I dey. I can't count money for pockets. I dash you. That person get right to take say because your man was there. Nuja lever. Now I show you road. Where you take enter there. Not be everything politician where you get reputation go fit tell you for mouth. But there are things they will just do. As a person where you wise, you dey inside this life, you go understand, say, now this one I dey go on. Thank you. Do insinuate. One thing when I don't like concerning Facebook people, they know how to insinuate very well. If you talk one thing, they'll tell you, say, no, this is what you mean. How about you are welcome to the house? If you talk one thing, they will tell you, say, this is what you mean. But you have never mentioned a word. You just insinuated because you want things to be in accordance. But people of this world, they want you to just say it the way it is because they want to implicate you and implicate you badly. That's their mission, not because they love you. No. But Maya Fefe no Ragnona no exist Ragnona. Marokaya Momo Butawe or Rigo many ya support a beriame abati gumegai. So mejaje the other brain. Ya reasoning matana. As a Nigerian person, when I be. As an Edo born, when I be. Evani abati ma uweni down. Stainless. Forget Eva. Et Evani by matana. Omaria bewe viva. Omaria bewe viva. Iho deba we gaigoni. Omaria bewe viva. Because a pair de Murphy was also he also follow now. He also take for inside. Una share. The other one also take. The other one also take. It will this thing will only sound so big in the ears of illiterates and not people who have little bit of education in them. If you get small education for inside your head, this thing will never be anything to you. It will make sense. You will understand it and know where matter are going. But when you are dealing with illiterates, people who never went to school, people who never carried their brag and walked through the 12 walls of education, be very careful. Because the only thing to see is one way, zombie way, and that's what their way be. Not two ways, zombie way. They don't know, they don't have the ability to reason wide and big. No way. You understand? But our governor, he give you money. Even if tomorrow, opponents want to come out and say, why did you give live video presenters? Still, they don't have a case. You know why they don't have a case? Because the money he brought out of his pocket, there is no proof and evidence that it's a government money or it's a state money. He can decide to give his money to whoever he wishes. That is it. Although we get personal problem for Edo State, schools they leak, road not good, this one not good. Why giving your money to Stainless? A lot of people will ask that question. But the question me I will ask you people is that, who are you to detect? He being a governor, does it stop him from having his personal life or relationship with people? No. Now you talk and say na bribe be bribe. But do you have evidence of that bribe? No. You only said he gave money to Stainless. So it seems like bribe in your eyes. You insinuated, and insinuation has never been a fact anywhere in the court of law. You insinuated, but insinuation is not a fact. There's no fact in your words to say maybe they bribe live video presenter, or maybe you governor using and take bribe Stainless. Stainless is doing one thing that I like. He's continuing to maintain our ground to say he give me for my papa burial, which is what the governor said. Our governor is a learned person, a person where go school. You can never twist his word. He talks, say, you gave me the money. Take, I use it to support your father burial. So a person who you support during the father burial, the person have a responsibility. And the responsibility is an entitlement in a way. If you have a problem, I might choose to support you tomorrow because you also supported me. It's not only financial support that is support in this life. And the governor cannot be a suit and come and attend Stainless burial because of saying, no, say Stainless get big platform for social media when he want to assist election. He might not do that. He might decide to assist in another way that he chooses to say he want to assist. So, because of comments when I read for social place, when I go bribe, when I share the money, I want to debunk this right now in this live video to say, you don't have any evidence, although opponents will want to use it because they can even, opponents can bring out something that is not existing from anywhere. Not be only this one where they talk. So a non-existing situation, and opponents, when it comes to politics, they can bring it up and they will use it to create a fact, and it will become a fact. Everybody knows that. So this one is not different. You see that assumption. Somebody say, yes, said what I like. Say assumption is the lowest form of information. Thank you so much. Who read that word? God bless you. Assumption is not a fact. You assumed, but you don't have any facts. So that is why, if I drop any post for my page and anybody can assume, I look at you as if you don't know what you are doing. You are assuming. I know what I'm doing, but you are assuming you don't have the fact. It's only when you have facts you can use to pin me. Or when I have facts, I will use to pin you. But when you don't have facts, you cannot do anything. And your assumption will not win me anywhere. You're wasting your time because you assumed. Alright? So, that money matter, when people they talk, people have to quickly stop dropping that money matter now. Drop it. Because it's not a fight, it's an insinuation. Stainless is a human being. She deserved to gain support from anyone that chooses to support her. Whether you are a governor, whether you are a state barrister, whether you intended getting a support return from Stainless, that is your cup of tea. But she can get something from somebody. So, Stainless to take that money was not wrong. And it's not a bribe. This video where they do, so I've done it before, to say, if they carry money come and then give live video presenter, it's not a bribe. Because it's not a state money. Albert, you are here. You can also prove me right to say, the time of election, government money is not used to run a campaign. No, political parties use their money individually to run a campaign. As a PDP, you can go and use your political money to run your campaign. It has nothing to do with the state pocket. As ASF, whatever, you can use your political money to run a campaign. It has nothing to do with the state money. It's individual. Party. Yes. It is allowed by law. You can't win these people by law like this. If you don't have any evidence that this money is a state money. So our Edo people, we mix up too many things that are not supposed to be mixed up for no reason. You see, somebody said yes, he said that they lie too much. I'm not arguing that one. But the case of this Abat one stainless where they grant. Now they trash. As I know rich, as my power know rich, now they talk. Abat, now true say, stainless, those days, she was smoking whatever on live video. You know the rugality of stainless before you went to stainless. So if you tell me to say you don't know, you are joking. There are things you should expect. You also know that when things of your whole life, when things became so tough, because on your live video, you say one woman call you for America, a big Canada. She say, may you drop every fight with stainless and you honored. But indirectly, Abat, you didn't honor that call from that woman. Because every time you are doing live video, you know that you never settle on a course. You can see the true word. Go they give stainless. When you carry and come out this last time, come begin the talk of Inigo no ga envelope. Inigo no ga envelope we need. Mama can't wait before, but my stainless if I don't know how we Arigonian. Which again in man like that was the only part I don't like for stainless life. To say, do you know what is breach of confidentiality? What is that they call confidentiality? Something that will take you to a place tomorrow. Something that will make you worthy in the eyes of people tomorrow. Something that will make people to say, you are a human being to deal with. A human being to deal with tomorrow. You lost it. You are not supposed. You are not supposed to lose it. Integrity. On your integrity. That's what they call integrity. Anything where you and person do for private place, don't play with informations like that. Especially when you know that this one, for the first time, tomorrow you can have your access and opportunity of saying, Baba, more still less. And maybe one way or the other, he will watch your activity online and also see that, oh, I normally receive a baby boy, meaning our governor on his own part respected you. Or he respected you. He accorded you some respect because he knows you did well. You helped him. But all you go to watana, integrity remana. Integrity remana. E mata ma we na tinye. Nu why na wata na we erigo ru develop ro e remana. E itono na. Why itono na bo wala wo. So my brother Abat, if you pa have time away. Ugmeso ma ria sene. Umana iwe mi si uduriabi. You see this last one I wanna just this so wait come out again so. Ne say let's say ya gwalu we na but my gwan kan. My brother wa why who la dianu we saga esi saga lao. Uga why who la dianu we saga e ma wa beg you when we esi because why beg so if some people don't they use hand and leg they cause something you know say they need that and they will be ready. So when you are not ready to eat a particular food, don't go and smell it. Because by the time you smell the odor and you that food enter your whatever, you need time, you want to eat it. Don't say, this food I be not in town because you go smell the odor. Do you notice that for some time, still let's say inside our sins? If they inside our sins, none of us they see for live video they misbehave for some time now. People don't come on live video. At a time, they will be passing through one or two problems inside their house. Leave them alone. It's only when you have a opponent, when it's so hard over there, you know trash. I gave you an accolade on my platform to say, there was a give and take. Either inside fake account or inside real account, but there was a give and take. My yaga beggar in live video. We were all seeing it on live video. There was a give and take. So nobody go blame you for that one. But you see, this stainless on over now. If you let me get to because a man we handle yeah, when it total me, I consider the judge on money matter where it happen. I will be a person who I not get sense. If I want on the talk money where people don't take buy, where people don't eat, don't take care of their children, and then when a band don't settle, no. I will not talk about that one. Somebody say all of them don't have integrity. What do you a person do for dark? Wanna wear the darkness? and it involves something like this that will lift your status up tomorrow, it involves something that will help you to another level tomorrow, you're not supposed to carry that secret, come public, come break and bah! You need to go envelope. $100. That $100, 50, 5,000. People we never know anything for this life. You know what they will say? So all the schools where they leak for Benin, how come? People will be wondering to say why. They want to know that area. But it doesn't baffle me. You know, they wonder somebody like me. The reason why you know they wonder somebody like me is that you don't tell a person what to do with their money. You are not the owner of their pockets. If I decide to give my money to a whole village, this is my business. If I decide not to give to the whole village, it's none of your business. So if you say it's the government money or it's a those states money, oh yeah, prove it. Where is the proof? Because it's the running government. So because it's the sitting government makes him not to have his own personal money again. So because it's a government that is on seat, every right to his own personal money is out. They are being paid salary. So prove it that it's a state money. You don't have any proof. So me, I don't want to say what I don't have any proof to. I don't want to say what I don't have any proof to. That is why if I the source of kind things, I normally they talk say, "Emi ni pege the live video, emi na ome say." Because when you are taking me anywhere, I'll take my video, I'll take my evidence, I'll take what I have against you, along with me, for people who reason to listen to me and you. Somebody say, Rita, how did you know it's the government money? Am I better money out? I never said it's the government money. This is what I am saying. Sandra, it's not the government money. You don't have any proof to say it's government money. To me, that is our governor's money. Obaseki, his own personal money to me. Because if I say it's a those states money, government money, so let me prove it. I don't have any proof. Yet to tell me now, Mema say, so somebody say, all this talk when I talk, say person sit and say, Rita, how did you know it's the government money? Did I say it's the government money? Okay, how did I know it's Obaseki money on his own? Okay, prove it that it's not Obaseki money. You prove it. You were the talker now. Prove it. Prove it. You don't have any proof. So you want me to sit down and start talking what I don't have any proof to? Nikawe, you get those 30 wano, and you go no wana gae even a mumu gwa. Mumu people. I know if you talk like mumu. Then give you money money to help those to na share and where's your proof? I don't want to talk like an idiot. So I am saying what I have proof to. To say, okay, he get campaign, he want to sit down for the second tenure. He see person when get live video platform. He tell us say, "Why we bury ya? Okay me. Or when mon pata mo menwa, do was a walking we." That one na Benin Paribas, our governor na Benin. Stainless you be Benin. Abat na Benin na you be. E mon pata mo menwa, ora sekwe walking we. Miro nous ja we bury ya jouer. E mon pata mo menwa, a sekwe walking we. Finish. You see that part of it where you say, when una con share. When you can later vest stainless after a bat, not the shuka. That part of it.
The answer there is that it's his personal money. He took it from his pocket. If it was government money, it is the treasurer of the Edo State who embezzles a check to somebody. Okay. So from his pocket, it's his pocket money. Okay, bravo. Thank you, my love. He is not the finance secretary or the treasurer of the government.
Bravo. My husband don't answer one question. Daddy, please come back again. Me, I talk and small. My husband, because he is a politician, as I always talk and say, my husband is a full-blown politician. Not be saying a joke. A politician who is running inside a political party in this country. He said it's the money of the government in his own personal money. Why? Because he brought it out and he gave it. Any stamp they want to say and say is the money from the treasurer of the state, Abi?
No. It was not. There was no stamp.
There was no stamp where that money they say this money came out from the state's pocket. Because treasurer of the state have to stamp it to say this money is coming out from Edo State pocket. So
him as the governor, he can only authorize the finance department
to
release funds to various departments. Yes. But he does not deal with cash.
He doesn't deal with cash.
If
are you people
hearing?
His
office today or tomorrow.
So my people,
you will not see liquid cash.
You will not
will see papers that he will be signing and authorizing because he is the governor. So what comes from his pocket is his money from the ATM or from the bank that he has in his pocket. So it's not state money.
My people, because me, I don't want to be talking like idiots, like Mumu. People who just talk without fact. And when you are being taken far, you cannot even repeat what you say. Because you have no proof. You have no facts. Your argument is baseless. Baseless arguments that have no facts. That's what a lot of people want to do. So, somebody asked me that question. Thanks, say my husband helped me answer and to say, how did you know it's Obaseki money? It's Obaseki money because they never said there was any check that was signed to say this money is being released from the governor Edo State Treasury. Because as a governor, he doesn't run the Edo State finance. The little government when I do for school, this is the little knowledge I know. If you know you have the better knowledge, okay, say it. As a governor, he doesn't have. Wait, he's still doing his campaign. He was still the sitting government running for the second term. He does not have the right to a Edo State fund, treasury. He can only order people to sign it out and there will be proof. Do you have that proof? You that is saying that, how do I know that it's not the governor's money? No, that is his personal money that he can just take from the ATM and he can give it to whoever he wishes to give it to. Whoever he wishes to give it to. So, my people, na so me tell no. That money area, na so I take cancel them because once you are bolua, make sure women fatty. Not be say after they don't hook you for here with fact and evidence. You come the tell say, hey, na so my person tell me, na so my oga tell me. This is what I illiterate argument. I not the follow person they argue on. I only argue what I have fact. I only argue what I they see. I don't do baseless argument with people. I don't have time to do baseless arguments. But in the case of this fight where we want to start to come out again now, let's quickly off it too. Do you know why? It's very important. Abat not the shook stainless again. Or say, because when two of you start war, Naju fair go call and dog ekita. I not to say no insult you before she can start to insult your wife. Uweni ya fe no money. Umake no dojwe emikere do yari yaewa. I love you during that campaign time. You did very well. Anybody who did not appreciate you for that work where you do that time, you will not say that person one day. He doesn't know what it takes, both by data, both by power, both by strength, both by connecting different type of people to try to ordinary to hold a rally here. If you know the amount of strength that you need, you will know say it's not easy. A lot of people will just be looking only at the financial part of it all. When they do live video, now so it be now. Some people want to kill you because they think you are making money. At times, you are not even saying 1 cent. And some people are shocking you because they believe you are making a lot of money. Their hatred towards you has to do with money matter. So people will follow you that day, stainless. They not do bad thing. But do you know that there are things that bat cannot even tell you, stainless? Things they were bat not will tell you. You don't know that one. There are things he cannot tell you. Still, under many with politics in Igbawa, but there are things he cannot tell you. Believe me. There are things he cannot tell you. You know if he tell you say, and yes or you underground because of you. I tell one last secret and what would have happened? Hitting a person with his word of mouth, or hitting a person with point. I'm not like Bene. But you have to know, say, about my brother. Uriye stainless. Ege politics suna luwe ebe no heki. Don't come out and say you pay for it. No. For that reason, stainless deserve maximum respect from you, Abat. And every other person who did and work with you, and to even a governor you deserve a maximum respect from Edo State governor. You deserve. And every Togberians, you deserve a big respect from them. I'm a Togberian. I accord you big respect. I'm the saga on the social media, but on the politics is stand away. Il a comme on wa mudia, on a wa mwa da kwa wad menak wa mutoi. Oh man on shaking out. E minister ti we am no we, okay can you upload day. Emi nu yi setting where my brother and yet you westly win awewa. E yoga stainless viage. E win an stainless win a election. Yi setting where you setting you westly win awewa. Me mami any other person no more me living at the stainless. Or print me, or print everything. Or you inki sinegbe here. Why give me go? Emi go no ma say me na. On dossier problème non pas. On a quand des talks on can see quand they use maths they go. Mais on a quand they give future opponents. You are giving them tools to use in the near future. You people don't even know. Yes. You are watching everything. I saw you watching everything. This one is my own opinion. You can go and share your own. Everyone is liable to their opinion. But when me, I'm talking personally as Rita, I talk what I know. So when you are also talking, make sure you are saying what you can defend. This is what I know politically. That but politically, this is what I know. It's possible that magomago, but he may prove, he may evidence. So because he may any DNA no soon over social media there, I drop that issue. That DNA matter. Because he may prove. Or say not drop a matter. Nina where may that man do the needful. May family come on for social media. Yet ya tell me no man see me say come back where me prove either way but a prove ni me ya it is you know o mana gun ina ye me nunu e it is me nunu e gbale we e mana na tie or mana tie. But in case of these people, there's nothing like that. There's nothing like Stainless saying I was bribed. There's nothing about saying I was bribed. I've never heard it anywhere from the conversation between both of them. But Stainless started saying, breaking the rules of confidentiality by saying, Eria Yoname, you need to run away, but I know say she was pushed anyway. Stainless, Evani Okpa, or no woman fault with social media. Now, woman, what agree? You want run for? Siekoto, who want run for? Who want ta? Oh, I'm winning. I know you are working on it. Work more on it. Work more on it because women talent Stainless. A talent way tomorrow. You might put millions into your pocket before you wake up. What I mean millions? You will pocket away. Bag me no kind even wabo magba no rigo ju wekpo be koko. I really do a wabi your magnum because that's what people want to hear. That's what people want to hear. Stainless deserve a higher percentage. Nobody say no. And the Monfibe campaign, not per campaign. But my brother, I admit it this afternoon. She deserve a higher percentage of that money. She deserve it. What deserve it, but what makes you to say Oma deserve it? Prove it to us. The reason why you think she don't deserve it. Uriari governor says the governor Rigoni ways for her the burial of her. Rigoni was shed, and she even take the lower part. So they know you where her government. They know here you believe the government deserve the higher part. Meaning you have to prove it to the world. So Ogaguyo. Omagwiyo say, any bunajigo ya Edo State. Things are very many to be done with money in Edo State. And Edo State needs good light, good road, good. People where they abroad, they lose, say they don't want to come Edo State again. So we shouldn't be bringing our shit to the wall to say, because of having no market nine way you understand because the government in we go yekpo in all those things. We are not saying no. My politicians of Africa remind. But a case in Rotona, matter because I don't want me no reactor. This matter happened for 2019. Stainless, I want to beg you, my sister, forgive her bats. Mao, forgive her. On this one way happen. So look begwe, so ngwe. Ah, Bati, you can get Stainless is auto no masinu jo wegbi. We will forgive you, my brother. No move on. You understand? E que no ma keke no wazo. O ma no ma keke no wasi. Evidence no ma keke no wavio magnon. E no ma keke no wata. No wadu wata lo. Hello?
Hello. Who the live video?
Now live video a day.
Okay, I'll call you back.
Yes. me beg about. Forget my darling stainless. Beno ya dawe burion. Toujours wa mana wati ana luwe ya luwe na na ye yuto. Ege dawe video. Governor imama luwe because or according me na we. But edo mweni enye so nu no ma. Edo mweri ya ndabe talo no do bungbe na. Emweri ya. You understand? We mi no money. But the talo na wadwa talo na giri. Hey you. Imani mao ni begi no sunu wagmo. They know you fight a good fight during the second tenure election of Obaseki. Everybody know. A live video presenter na here fefe boy number 1 with Togberians. No mudia. No ya mina. People call you junkie. People call you Ole Morocco. People insulted you. They even insult your children. You even face life threat. Tell you whether you have step on toes. You step on people's toes. Because of it was a political wrestle. It was a political wrestle. You pass boundary. Ura machete to here. Ne governor no regase Obaseki ya arriva. People of Edo State know it. Me so me ayorebo we feel 7 o'clock rain line. It with the no okay stainless if we mana. So nobody can come out to say, hey, now because they take bribe, now because they take this one. If you were giving that bribe, if it was a bribe, would you have done the work Abat and Stainless did? Check your strength. People are talented in different areas in this life. Check your strength. Not be made that they use maths, they talk, blah, blah, because people of the world, they know how to condemn. I hear condemn, and have your condemnation, and I will have your ladin. It's very easy. Or easy now, you condemn. But when you are not talking about practical, there is a difference between practical and theory. Even though Ladian will be my theory, no. Practical, you are not working on ground. You put it on ground. Even though you notice things, so you practicalize it on ground. That is what Abat and Stainless did during a Edo State election. Your work, a governor, this and that. So, you see in this area, a reason no see it, Nihana until look down on you. When you send me that audio, when I listen to it finish, I felt your pain like Omana low na riefua. Now where you must say, Ole Morocco, onona, enokpa. What Ole Morocco now made you with your bonoraje? She was walking. Abat, a Stainless, a single modano, no bauhibi, ye got with Buru Wania. Or I win may you ni weme. Eh, jamais si elle est non totaji. Si elle. Zobo. Eh, ya pole la dian with different direct words like Noreho Landini. Bo ya doa we push yo doa talo hin ahwe. Ou do we Stainless it secret. Because me an non avec be. Eti we message na we me I boss ni. Wa do gwan ye na because ton yo igbe. So I felt I want to talk into the matter too. Then even say beson. Nobody knows tomorrow. Or ma fia bume ade woke. Em na guanjo onyi ebegbe. Na person when I like. Abat man even like you know. He believe he got man normal like him. Eti ka man we guanye bi na. So Abat my brother. It's still less ubo. It's still less why he abo via hire na no ya avoid the way. O my tell me we the my dey agwan the live journal indirect go we kuma. Indirect ye me ne na make na die. So that man we is your bona no e ga pole hian ado we still less pole hian. Wa pole hian ado we still less pole hian. But we are polo man hian. Abuma then my ya we me na the person that you like so much. The person that you like so much. Una tamagbe will like come and be. By the time you have problem with people, they will leave you and go and meet that person because they are looking for the soft point. A target way, not ballo boloko. And Governor Obaseki Norega say it's a soft point for you. Who like you no beg if anybody are rubbish here about. Stop throwing waste to Stainless. So that we are making a miss run that way. Because a politics it has nothing to do with a Edo State saga. No social media. My brother, I love and I respect you so much, Abat. Umane mi okpa nwe ume dead personally. You hear how well. I don't even know whether you know I'm on this live video, but I'm the person who have been craving and liking you. Because we're here going. But we're here vessel man. But the truth of the matter is that I insulting evil. Vessel money. Hey, you got feeling sorting, never na me where. So it matters you know my baby. We are hard to have vessel who are insulting who are seeing who you want me. Then I'm here to have a personal issue. It's truth, you are a truth on utemata. Yes, so what one and also not followers. Because a man again, people don't have time to waste. If you open your mouth, say you enter live video, you want to talk. Oh, yeah, open it and talk and let people hear what you want to say and they go away. That's the kind of person you are. You are a speaker. You speak and you can gather people together. Albert, please, sustain less about it. This is my own opinion. My brother. Hey, so let me get. Laho, he may even way. Mao, Vononan Wawazena. They still less in my wrong way. Yeah. For my wrong way. Don't wrong way in the past. Nwabaya home. On a tier bono bukan way when I bet la who my brother. I'm saying sorry. So, you I see the way you deal with other people. When you borrow you know, you borrow and move forward. Hey, so let's non do ala dian non do atemi no matter que non tabi l'habitude. Ma understand. Uhiae, imaka huma yana is stainless. Why yakakabo because o denama avant, à la façon et 2 heures. O denama avant, à la façon. So, on va then you to advance and still less than 19 live. That's so it be for Nigeria. Even people where they make math for life, you know, say I talk one thing during the campaign when people they talk, say they share money, now bribe then take. Then the Nigeria me yata we na work I me. Since a campaign no, I na very me some boy na we tigari, and I'm still repeating it. Sorry, me some boy tigari, but do what my some boy, but oga some boy me worry you. If your campaign. It has nothing to do whether he like a political party now or he might like a party now. A party he like is my own personal business. I can decide to campaign for them, free willy or whatever. That's my business. And whoever I want to vote for is my privacy. My vote that I'm casting is my privacy. I might discuss PTP in this platform and in the heading I will vote for the other party. A politics. There is no straightforward politics, no way. American politics, no, number one. I don't know how you people will see it in the whole world. There are still games inside. The games in way. So by the time you are looking too much to go into the games of politics, you get blind. You get blind. You get blind. So my people, I don't say what I don't have evidence to. Yet it's a evidence to. Abat felt betrayed, yes. But Abat, you should have known better. You should have known better. Because who is school? Women certificate in open. When literate person. So, you should have known better. When you should have known better. You see this very one, Rotona. You pushed Stainless. To want to make him, to want to start non do agua, non do ateme nega tare push CI. O mai rongi we bogo nani because emi go ni wateta no we o mai do polo boy we kun. O mai do hama we do rigo ni ngu we admin underground no maro pa mai ya. O mai go admin underground where anybody don't know. He left you. And she left the whole thing. Whether you go ni gba o, whether wari bi get bury ahin o, wa mari bi get bury ahin o, on that is wabo. But we magazine go. So Stainless have proven more mature this very period. To my own analysis, Zeb vi no vies wimbo semi. Zeb have video ni yare since undermining mat to mat. My no way. But emi no tabi la video. E ya Georgie we na. Hello.
Good afternoon, madam.
Good afternoon.
Yeah, how are you doing?
I'm fine.
Yeah, it's Luxon Jonathan Utabo calling.
I'm on live. Did you know?
Oh, really?
I'm on live video. You can call me back. So, my people, now so I want to talk this matter rich. Stainless. Forgive her back. La go. Move on. Egi solo we. Ma we nega solo we. Cause me beg you go gile a solo we. Igbo e me nu wege ni die. E me nu ta wege ni die. When we meso. Wabi yangba we saga. Cause you get saga power we. E ni so run we adota. O man weta ma efo bekwe. O wa amukia. You go they carry the matter they go because where and then weta me or my for me and some people for this live video still dey like that. We don't fight. I fire them with some kind words. We not finish with my they do live video every day, go they repeat and just they laugh. That is a sign of defeat. You should have known better. Stainless may not push you come out. When you defeat a person already, they begin to oh yeah, do I them and not me. It's a sign of defeat. By the time you rehearse words, no matter my way, you rehearse it today, you rehearse it, you tell me say, it's a sign of defeat. Stainless finish on your chi bani warrior. Wawa bag me na repeat me no time a sign of defeat. No only me will defeat one man. One win. So that enough. It's enough for you to say Kiabati atalokia because it's a sign of defeat. Defeated. So say no na rehearse me no time. So abat agmina ameme na tamegbe and okwemuse igbina rokpa agmona no muse. Any fight you want to fight, it must be rugged as long as it's fight. So let's do what we prank. They prank. Awa agmina and then the other game agmina. Ugmeso ayo oge gbe gbina. Then we wo yo oge le gbina na. So me henti to wa is stainless la dianu wa do ata no e mata ken wa maka ke wajo wa ije. No, he will not do that. He already said, I will call you. For a person to start insulting you, only me where they insult money. But woman I insult man. Somebody like me, or mama I insult me, no wala diano insult me, whether directly or indirectly, he insulted it. I normally just tell them what they want to hear, or try to open some points. Ni big well ma open tomorrow. Mwe wa boy me ni baby life na. O ma me ni gbo ma no ma. So, you get one thing where I want me you go know where we're still less. That money, if to say now me follow you go governor's house, I don't give you all of them for take for inside. Because so the normal avant, you like a son. So forgive about. No, I'm moving. That's my video for this afternoon. Alright? So my people, may I read comments more? About we need accountability. Show us Obaseki work for Edo State. 1 year done week. We still they wait for you to showcase Obaseki work. Yes, I heard him. All right. All right. So my people, now so it be. Una later. Bye bye.